Today I want to introduce you to a refreshing summer drink, iced matcha latte. Matcha latte is super popular all over the world, and I'm so excited to share the secret to making it extra delicious. I'm living in Ikoma City, Nara Prefecture, and famous for the tea whiskers. Let's get started. Takayama, located north of Ikoma City, Nara Prefecture, is the producer of tea whisks in Japan for more than 700 years of tradition. Isn't that amazing? It's not just because of that, many people here enjoy matcha. Now let's get started on making delicious matcha latte. First, we need 2 bamboo teaspoons, that is 1 regular teaspoon of matcha, about 2 grams. Next, pour in 1/3 cup of 80 degrees Celsius hot water. Remember, don't use the boiling water because it can make the matcha taste bitter. If there are any lumps, you can strain them out with a tea strainer. But if you have a bamboo whisk like this, you don't need to strain it. The whisk will mix it perfectly. Move your wrist up and down to mix it well and incorporate the air. After about a minute, the surface should be covered with foams. That's when you know it's ready. Now fill a glass with ice and pour in your choice of milk. I love using whole milk, but you can use soy milk, oat milk, or any milk you prefer. To add a touch of sweet, use simple syrup made from the equal parts of sugar and water. Avoid honey or maple syrup, as they can overpower the matcha's delicate aroma. Gently pour in the matcha, and there you have it. Your iced matcha latte is ready. When choosing matcha, make sure it doesn't contain any added sugar or milk. It's so refreshing and delicious. Matcha has so many health benefits, and its unique aroma and deliciousness are truly addictive. One reason we Japanese are so healthy and live longer is that we drink matcha and green tea regularly. Enjoy your iced matcha latte, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!